how to use Lofi Dusk Filter on Instagram, which recently launched. First, open up your Instagram camera. Here you can simply first capture a photo, or if you have already photo you can select here. So I want to just capture photo here. After that you need to simply tap on restyle option, and here you need to simply swim to the left side. So here you notice that there is a new Lofi Dusk filter. You have to simply select this one and it will be apply some changes, and you notice that my whole photo is successfully edited. So this is the most trending Lofi Dusk filter nowadays. Lot of people try to use. So in this video I have shown you how to use the Lofi Dusk filter on Instagram by using this method. I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.